Welcome back, everyone. It's Big Al. I got a padlock challenge locking device. It's called Super Sargent by Trickmaster 30. And reason I got it in device, I know sometimes padlocks are a little bit, I wouldn't say easy, but easier if you do them in hand. But this one here, and I'm not going to gut this one, and let me go ahead and show you why. I mean, I guess I could. I'm not going to though. He's got these. He drilled them out and tapped them right here to repin it because it's not normally a rekeyable padlock, interchangeable core, whatever they're called. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna tear all that out of there, and there's really no need to. You can put it back in the vise. And the reason I'm not picking it in hand is because, for one, it's pretty tough. It's actually much easier if you pick it counterclockwise, because I found out that here's the key, by the way. It's pretty gnarly, and you can open the lock either way. So as I was picking it, I picked it both ways actually, but I found that it's much simpler to pick it counterclockwise. So that's why I went ahead and stuck it in the vise there, and we'll just do it that way. It's pretty neat how it can go either way. I didn't know that till I started messing with it a little bit more. Alright, so we're going to go in and we're going to go, like I said, counterclockwise, and let's get at it. Using the gem right now, by the way, Peterson gem. It's a tough little lock, man, but it is from Trickmaster 30, so it wasn't a surprise that it was tough. He makes some really good challenge locks. Alright, pin 1. I think I remember pin 1 was, if I can find it. Yep. Yeah, he makes them pretty tough, man. There went, I think that was 5 maybe. Got a slight bit of a turn. See, 1's real high. See, I just got more of a turn off the core by hitting 1. Feels like 3, I think. If I can stay under it. Make sure I didn't lose 1. Okay, I'm going to switch to this this other Sparrows. It's a Sparrows pretty steep hook. I guess medium, I'd call it. Feel the pins a little better. Still got that slight turn going. Try not to lose it. Oof. It's a whole lot of clicking. Excuse me. I know one was pretty deep. I think that's the one that held me up the first time. Got some counter right there. I think it was 4. Got that turn back. I lost it for a minute. It's a tricky little sucker, I'll tell you what, man. Super Sargent it is. I think I lost that slight turn I had. Ooh. Let me try that gem again. I'm telling you, it's tricky, man. No joke. There it is. See that? It's a tricky sucker. And actually it took me a bit longer when I picked it clockwise. So, but there it is. We got it. Fun little Sargent padlock from Trekmaster 30. So, Super Sargent. So, thank you Trekmaster 30. Appreciate it. And I think this was sent to me by Squint. So, thank you, buddy. Alright, that's it. Big Al, signing off.